In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. Dear students, welcome to the class. As you know, this is Easy Quran class. After completion of word to word and interpretation of the meanings of the Holy Quran. Now we are starting from today idiomatic translation, and now we are starting from 1 to 10 ayah. عَمَّ يَتَسَاءَلُونَ عَمَّ يَتَسَاءَلُونَ عَمَّ يَتَسَاءَلُونَ About what are they asking? عن النبأ العظيم الذي هم فيه مختلفون About the great news about which they are in disagreement. كلا سيعلمون كلا سيعلمون But they shall know the truth. ثم كلا سيعلمون ثم كلا سيعلمون Nay, again they shall come to know it. ألم نجعل الأرض مهادا ألم نجعل الأرض مهادا Did we not make spread the earth like a bed? والجبال أوتادا والجبال أوتادا And the mountains like pigs. وخلقناكم أزواجا وخلقناكم أزواجا And have we not created you in pairs? وجعلنا نومكم سباتا وجعلنا نومكم سباتا And made your sleep for rest. وجعلنا الليل لباسا وجعلنا الليل لباسا We made the night a covering. صدق الله العظيم